So let's look at the operation of that DrainRight 100 or the DR100. Firstly, if we press and hold the power button, that will turn the laser on. The laser is going to flash until it's level. Now the power button on the remote control will only turn that laser off. So if we press and hold, I think about 4 or 5 beeps and we've shut the laser down. We can't turn it back on from the remote. We have to come back to the laser unit itself. Now looking at the control panel, the battery indicator shows that we're fully charged. Then we've got a spirit vial in the back there. So the spirit vial tells us whether or not that laser is sitting level rotation wise within the pipe. So we can rotate the laser until we get the spirit vial in the center. The other indicator up the top shows where the laser's aiming. So at the moment it's aiming straight down, and we can direct that with the side arrows left or right. But normally what we'd do is set our grade first and then direct it to our laser target to make sure we've got our alignment correctly. To set a grade, we can do it off the control panel itself or off our remote control. So if we hit the mode manual button, and we could set a plus or a minus grade. So we can toggle between that, and we're going to set a positive grade. Then press the arrow across and we could go up to a 10% grade. So that's a fairly steep incline coming out of that laser at that point in time. If we're happy with that as the grade, we just hit the enter button, and now that laser is going to go and reset at a 10% rise or 10% grade. So as we can see, the laser has stopped flashing, so that grade is set. And now we'll swap that for the taller target. Okay, and adjust that to be at the correct height. If we do happen to be slightly off target with the arrow buttons here, we can bring that laser off to the right. So if we just press and hold that right button, if you look on the screen, it's showing that the arrow's going over to the right, and we've just about got it online there now. So at this point in time now, we've set the laser up, we've got a 10% rise, we've aligned it with our target, and we're right to get off and get to work. Now we're finished for the day and we're wanting to power that laser off. We need to realise that that laser is going to retain that grade. So if we're wanting to reset it all back to 0 before powering it off, if we press the plus and minus at the same time, that will zero off our grade and the laser will come back to its level position. The same goes for the left and right control or direction of the laser. If we press our outside arrows there, we see that come up on the screen, and again we can do that off the remote control, and that will re-centralise that laser. Just let it get back to its normal position before we finally power it off and put that laser away. So if you're after some more information on that DrainRight 100 pipe laser, or looking at getting one for your job site, give us a call at RedBack Lasers on 1800 769 858, or make contact through the text chat on our website, and we'll get back to you as soon as possible.